Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Harbour and we are looking at the construction of the Shoppers Fair supermarket. Now it was announced that this supermarket is to open in January 2025. So I'm asking you guys what do you think? Do you think they're going to make that deadline or that opening date? Now it's a supermarket, so basically it's an open space. And it looks like it's just the roof left to go on. And of course, tiling, etc. But this is the height of the building, so it's just the roof to go on. I'm not sure. So, guys, what do you think? We are now in September. So, you're looking at October, November, December, January. It's very possible because it was moved. The project was moving slow at one point, but they have definitely picked up the pace. Because based on the video we did before this one, a lot more work has been done. So it's I think it's quite possible to finish by January 2025. So guys, let us know what you think. This is a look at the Harborview roundabout. And then this is the Harborview neighborhood. And then at the bottom of the screen, that's the Harborview shopping center. And this, as you can see, it's a very large neighborhood. This plaza does very well. It has everything you need for a successful plaza. Built in a populated area, look at the size of Harborview, very populated. You need a brand name supermarket, and there you see it. A new supermarket being built. And the third thing is you need food stores. And you have KFC, Burger King. That alone will have you covered, but you have Tasty, Patties, you have Pizza Hut, and you have other restaurants in here. So the food is covered. What we're looking at now, where the structure is going up, they had another building here and they demolished it and they're putting up this new structure. And I believe this is the way that Jamaica needs to move. Too many times they try to renovate an old building, and I think what they need to do is demolish what's there and rebuild it bigger and better and more modern. So that's what they did in this case. And it's coming along. It should open, I would probably even say December 2024. Because, as we said, it's an open space inside. You just need to put in shelves and stock it. And this is a look at the plaza. There is a KFC. And Harborview actually has two total gas stations literally next door to each other. That's one at the bottom of the screen. And after the KFC, there's another building, and then there's another Total gas station. What happened was, Total was in Jamaica, and they set up their station under the Total name. And then Total bought out Esso. So all the Esso service stations turned into Total. And that's why you have two of them. But I don't think you find two Total gas stations this close to each other anywhere else in Jamaica. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. This is the building. Will it finish by January 2025? Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.